Day 61 of teaching you a random Spanish word from the dictionary. Special 2-word edition today. The first word we get was lake, 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 lake. In Spanish you say lago, 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 lago. And the second word we get is going to be the one right below it, which is lamb, 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 lamb. In Spanish you say cordero, 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 cordero. For example, you can say there is a lamb on the lake. Hay un cordero en el lago. Cordero, lago, cordero, lago.